Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to utilize defensive equipment for better protection in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, equip armor plates. Always carry and use armor plates to maximize your protection against incoming damage. Utilize Riot Shield. Use Riot Shield to provide mobile cover and protect yourself while advancing or reviving teammates. Use smoke grenades. Deploy smoke grenades to obscure enemy vision and create opportunities to reposition or revive teammates. Employ stun grenades. Disorient enemies by throwing stun grenades to temporarily hinder their movement and aiming abilities. Deploy proximity mines. Place proximity mines near entry points or choke points to deter enemy and protect your position. Utilize gas grenades. Use gas grenades to force enemy out of cover or to deny access to certain areas temporarily. Equip thermite grenades. Use thermite grenades to deal damage over time to enemies and force them to reposition. Deploy barricades. Use deployable barricades to block off enemy points or provide additional cover during engagements. Use field upgrades. Equip defensive field upgrades like the ballistic vest or munition box to enhance survivability or replenish ammo. Employ sentry guns. Deploy sentry guns in strategic location to automatically engage enemies and provide cover fire. Use kill streaks for defense. Call in defensive kill streaks like the VTOL jet or chopper gunner to suppress enemy movements and protect objectives. Deploy tactical insertions. Place tactical insertion in safe locations to quickly respawn and maintain map control. Utilize recon drones. Use recon drones to scout ahead and gather intel on enemy position during risking exposure. Use flares. Use flares to divert missile lock-on attacks or distract enemy snipers aiming at your position. And that's how to utilize defensive equipment for better protection in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.